Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to play Endless mode in Slay The Spire. First, you want to hit play, and I remind you to complete a daily climb to actually unlock the custom game option. Then to go and customize your run. You'll actually, all of this I leave to you, simply pick whatever you like. Then simply go and find the there should be Endless mode. Number 4 from the top. Winning will return you to Act 1 with the same deck, but beware, the Blight eventually consumes all simply negative relics that you get by playing all over and over and over again. Of course, by selecting this, any other modifiers, setting a seed, setting ascension, choosing a character, etc, etc, hit Embark, and you will be in an endless mode, depicted by the infinity symbol next to your name. Of course, nothing actually changes when you look at the map. I'll simply abandon the run. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.